Okay. That's okay.
Yeah, I just got my hair washed and now I'm sitting under the dryer.
¿Cómo está? Yo lo borré a ambas. Así como está aquí. Sí, yo lo tenía y lo borré hace mucho.
Yeah, I just got my hair done. It was shocking.
All right.
What'd you rate it?
I rated it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, girl.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Ari Amoura. Come get my hair braided with me.
Let them know, but like, yeah, I got your hair done.
Yeah, I just got my hair done today.
Turn around.